Facade inspection is made compulsory since 2022 for buildings above 20 years old. My name is Terence Day. I'm the product creator at TÜV SÜD Digital Service. A few years ago, I did a course at a product school in Silicon Valley and developed a strong interest in product management. TÜV SÜD seems to be the right place to challenge myself to take an idea from conceptualization to the market. And combined with my passion for flying, I'm now back in a flying business, but with unmanned aircraft. Before we fly, a project manager will be assigned to prepare for all the necessary documentation and submit them for the authority approval. On the day of operation, a team of drone pilots will execute the inspection and collect the images. For a typical 10-story high buildings, we will collect around 1,000 to 2,000 images over a course of 1 to 2 days. Back in the office, the AI will process the mass images and picks up the building defects automatically. Before we generate the final inspection report for our customers, our facade inspector will verify each and every defects on our digital platform to make sure they are accurate. All this takes place within days rather than weeks in the past. Our AI model helps to identify and categorize the defect type, but our experts still play a key role to annotate the training images and verify the defects detected by the AI. In the event that the AI detected wrongly, our expert must interfere and correct it on the spot, so that this input can be taken into consideration for the model to enhance itself. With the success of the AI-enabled facade inspection service, we are looking at expanding this work into other TÜV SÜD inspection services like the car parks or the bridges. We believe technology will shape the future, and there's a need for companies and their experts to make sure technology helps protect our people, our environment, and their assets. It feels good to be working in TÜV SÜD because we are already one of the pioneers.